In this short video, we will guide you on the installation of the plugins required to launch the React Shortcodes editor. Once logged into WordPress, navigate to the Plugins section. From here you can add a new plugin. If you don't see the classic editor plugins, you can search for them. However, you can see they are both here on the featured plugins section. Download and activate both the Classic Editor by WordPress.org and Classic Widgets by Tanya Mork. With these plugins now active, we can launch the Shortcode editor in Widgets, Pages, Posts and Products. Follow us for more videos and please visit react.themecatcher.net for more information.